Good morning, Preps. It's time for another day of maths, and today we're going to do numbers before and after. But we're going to start here with some little creatures and cars and things. And we're going to work out what is happening here. So if this is our first, if this is where our line is starting, and we've got this is our second one, so we're going along here, I want to talk about what comes before the fire truck and what comes after. So have a think yourself. Where do you think before the fire truck would be? Now, if you look, if you're starting here, then this purple cow is before the fire truck. And this green train comes after the fire truck. Before and after. Okay? And then this one comes next along, isn't it? That's right. So there, before, after. That would be the same here. If we're looking what comes before the train, that would be the yellow fire truck comes before the train and the red kangaroo comes after. That's if the number line's going this way. Okay, shall we have a look with our dinosaurs and work out with the numbers what comes before and after? Let's have a look at the number 7.
Oh, yes.
Let's have a look. Here's the number 7. If we're going along, 1 starting down here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number do you say before you say 7? Have a think. You count along.
Let's start again.
Yeah.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6. You say 6 before.
So 6 is
Before 7. What number do you say after 7? Have a think. We'll go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 8 is after 7. So 6 is before 7. You say it before 7. And 8 you say after. So that's something really tricky. Some people find this a bit tricky, Mrs. Mac. Shall we choose another number?
I think so. Let's do number 5.
Oh, good idea. Let's have a look at number 5. So here it is. Now, I want you to practice this, Preps. Actually count up to 5 and think about what number are you saying before you say 5. Have a think. Count in your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ah, it's the number 4.
It's the number 4. You say it before 5. And what number would you say after 5? You go 4, 5, 6. You would say 6 after the number 5. All right, now, Mrs. Mac, we've got a really exciting sheet today, haven't we?
We have.
We have.
We are going to need our number line.
We are going to need the number line because we're going to find out how to fill in the blank spaces by working out what comes after and what comes before. Okay, so I've got the number 1 here, but it's an empty space.
Oh.
Now, if you check on the number line, what number is after number 1? It is number 2. So then you do the neatest. Oh, that's not the neatest I've ever done.
It's okay. You gave
That's
it a
all
try.
right. I gave it a go. Neatest as you can because the stars are quite small. So let's count along. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you say after 4? If we look up here. Oh, sorry, I should have used the number line.
Yeah.
After 4, it is 5. So 5 always starts. You can either do the big belly and come around in the hat, or there's other ways you could go down and around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops, sorry. 5, 6. 6 comes after 5. 6 also comes before 7. Look at that. And 7, 8. What comes after 8? Let's have a look. 8 and 9. Oh, I can put that in there. 9. I'll just count to make sure I've got it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 9 and 10. I'm pretty happy with that, Mrs. Mac. All right, shall we do another one?
I think so. Or maybe we'll go to the super challenge.
Yes, let's look at the super challenge. If you find that you're really confident with this one, we do have a super challenge, don't we, Mrs. Mac?
We do.
And it's in your pack for everybody. If you don't feel up to it, that's okay, Preps. Okay, we're just doing the super challenge. All right, here we go. Here it is. There's actually a lot on this one. And this one has lines rather than stars. So what number is before 1?
Oh, we can do that on
We
our
can
number
do
line.
that on our number chart, which I'll bring back here, Mrs. Mac. So here's 1. The number before is 0. So we will put that on the line. Then there's 1. The number after 1 is 2. Then 3's on there. The number after 3 is 4.
And I really love, Mrs. Ballard, how you're keeping that finger on the number line and not moving it, because for this one, you might lose track.
Exactly. This one you need to have it there. Then there's 5. Number 6 is after 5 and before 7. Then 7. 8 is after 7. Oops. I'm going to have to move my... Oops. That was a bit wonky. And then 9 and 10. You put that there. There's a whole lot there. And here, this one's the really tricky one. Perhaps this one will be a bit challenged because this says what comes before, what comes after, and this one is what is in the middle.
Ooh!
Yes.
Maybe we could have a quick look at the dinosaurs for that one.
Well, I think so. Because if we've got 4 and 6, what's in the middle?
Oh, that looks like 5.
It is. It's 5. That's right. What if we've got 7 and 9. What is in the middle? It is
Oh, it's on the right. There we go.
8.
It is 2.
It is 2. So let's have a look down here on this sheet. We might just have one look at that.
Yeah.
This one says what comes between 0 and 2. And if you look here, it is 1.
And they did that one for you.
And they did that one for you. Let's do the next one. Here's the number 2. What comes after 2?
Oh,
3.
3.
And then 4 is there. So that 3 comes in between 2 and 4.
Oh, there's a challenge.
Do you want to do one more, or do you think that's enough?
One more.
One more. Okay. Let's have a look. Now we've got the number 3. What comes after 3? 4. 5. So 4 is between 3 and 5.
Oh,
Oh, I'd like you to, if this is only the challenge, if you're up for the challenge.
yeah.
Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow, preps. Bye-bye.